Assalamu alaikum and hello my friends. I am Anouar LAACHIR from Morocco and this is my channel Become Engineer Academy. We have learned so far a lot of interesting things like installing Android Studio and make it run Flutter framework. So in this video I will explain some of important concepts that will help us during this course. The first concept I will talk about is hot reload and hot restart. Hot reload makes us capable to make changes in our code and reload the app to make changes take effect without recompiling the whole app. What does that mean? So for example, I will push this plus and I will have here the number of the pushes. So I will make it 10 or 11 pushes. Here I will change the title that is shown here, Flutter demo home page, to something like, for example, Anouar app. To make a hot reload, we click on that Flutter hot reload or control anti-slash. As you say, Anouar app has been changed, and but the 11 it's still here. So what that does mean? Donc it's not a hot restart. A hot restart is in the opposite side. It will be the compiler will recompile the whole app. Here, as you say, for example, I will change the color. I will make colors dot. For example, I will choose the color deep orange. Here I will click on hot reload. I will say that the color of the button and the head have been changed. In the other side, what does mean the hot reload? The hot restart. So the hot restart is when I click here or just click Ctrl S. So look at the 11 here. As you see, after restarted applications, you will notice that we have 0. So I wish that everything is clear to you. Hot restart will initiate the app from the beginning. So here the initial parameters that we have, initial variables. For example, what is the initial for this variable here is 0. So I will show you that. Where is the variable? Counter. Here it is, int counter 0. For example, if I will change it to 10, if I made a hot reload, to 0 will have no changes. But if I have made a hot restart, to 0 will be changed to 10. And after any push, it will be increased by 1. If I want it to be increased by 2, I will just here plus equal 2. Now I will made sorry that needs only a hot reload, not a hot restart. 10, 12, 14, 16, etc. I will stop this video here, and in the next video we will talk about widgets. That is a very important concept in Flutter. See you guys, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.